Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Before us today is the all-new 2022 Toyota Land Cruiser 300 series, and it is boldly tagged with the 70th anniversary badge. It is brand new, and as you can see, the premium leather seats are still covered with plastic. This variant comes with an automatic operated tailgate which can be closed with a push of a button. The interior of this vehicle features premium leather seats with red accents. It comes with dual climate control and entertainment screen for both rear and passengers in the third row. The cockpit of the LC300 showcases luxurious features such as a cool center console with 12.3-inch infotainment screen, which comes with both Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. It has the all-new steering wheel, and on the side is the new 10-speed automatic gear selector with different drive modes. Under the hood, the Toyota Land Cruiser is powered by a 3.3-liter twin-turbo V8 petrol engine that pushes out 227 horsepower and 700 Nm of torque via a 10-speed automatic transmission.